My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Nissan Juke. This vehicle has done just under 31,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving onto our screen, using the buttons on the left, we can access radio, CD and aux. On the right, we have map, navigation, information and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And just below the screen, we have our climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.